All right, gang, welcome back. Last train home. Mission for no reason, part 2. Oh, it's just I only need 5 legionnaires for this mission. I think I would have been overrun and wiped out. I was thinking I may need to reconsider my my thoughts on not bringing a machine gunner. I'm getting more and more large squads and things like that coming at me. All right, people are here. 2 shaken. All right, let's see. Already done that. Up through the middle. Take that way. You know what? I've cleared partly up through here.
I'm ready.
Her and him.
Changing location.
Get over here.
Listening.
Primary marksmen, scouts, snipers.
Finding cover.
Start moving forward. Moving the 2 of them up here. Use them.
Yes.
Him especially to start clearing sight on some of this. Wait a minute.
I'll look. Mm-hmm. Finding cover.
All right. What the? That isn't the noise a plane of the time should have made. What was that, a UFO?
Yes.
Looks like a jet.
Ready, sir. I'll take a look-see. Enemy spotted! I'm here. I'll keep my head down.
You two.
Mm-hmm.
Him.
Checking position. What a disaster. We can't let the Reds benefit from it. Destroy the cargo. Sir. Checking position. Enemy spotted.
Alright, looks like I'm going to be going around.
I'm listening. Assuming position.
Move it up.
I'm here.
Everybody's still back here.
Finding cover.
Start moving.
Yes.
You two.
If you say so.
Move it up.
Orders, sir. Finding cover.
My sound keeps cutting in
Ready.
and out. It's not good.
I'll look. Enemy.
Why is there a dog with no handler?
Consider it done. I'll look.
I may have to replace my headphones again soon. Ah, convenient to have a screw it I'm bugging out place so close.
Yes. I'll see to it.
Move up.
Sir? Taking position.
Booty, go get a drink of water. We have a 14-year-old Pomeranian who will sometimes hear you speaking, hear a conversation going on, and want attention, so he starts coughing. He's done it for a decade. It's a trick.
Ready, sir.
It's a trick for attention he picked up.
Taking cover.
Mildly Oh, annoying. I am not seeing anyone.
Ready, sir.
Dang it. There's tall grass there. I want...
I'm here. Be right there. Yes? Orders, sir. On my way. Assuming
Let's do
position.
this.
I'm listening.
Кажется, я что-то видел.
Yes? Finding cover. Your orders?
Where can you reach?
Can't hide from
Anybody.
me.
Yes. He's in my sights. Listening, sir? No hiding from me, lad. I don't see any movement. Ready!
All right, get back down.
Your orders, sir! I'm all ears. Finding cover. Taking cover. Awaiting orders.
Move up.
A better option, yes. Ready,
You two.
if you say so.
Get down here.
I'm here.
Grenadier. Switch off.
Righto.
Go get stuff.
Right you are, sir.
It actually takes longer to manage multiple people and switch back and forth.
Let's see what's there.
Have one guy run and
Finding cover.
do the thing. You two.
Assuming position.
Move forward,
Yes.
take cover, you. Come back.
I'm here.
Give me eyes.
I'll take a look. Enemy spotted.
Got two.
Ready.
He's up here. Give me a look.
I'll look.
Not seeing
Yes. Checking position.
anybody or anything over there. That can't be right.
Right you are. Checking position. Yes. I'll look.
Just cannot be right.
Mm-hmm.
You two move up.
Yes. I'm here. Taking cover.
Start doing this.
I'm all ears. Taking cover. Ready. I'll keep my head down.
Yes?
Really? I can't get behind that rock? Annoying.
Changing location.
I'm all ears. Assuming position.
You guys wait there.
What is it?
You two move
I'm
forward.
going. If you say so. Finding cover.
Enemy spotted.
Where? Oh. Sees them over there. Okay.
Yes?
Oh, there's gone.
No.
There's only a vehicle around here somewhere.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Taking cover.
I'm ready. Understood. Understood.
Come on, come on.
I'll see to it. Understood. Taking cover.
What is it? I'll look. Enemy.
Shit! Oh, look at that. Yeah.
Yes. Finding cover.
Fall back.
Yes.
Fall back.
Sir,
1, 2, 3.
I'm all
1,
ears.
2, 3.
On my way.
Move us back here.
Taking cover.
Get over there.
Yes. Finding cover. Listening, sir. Assuming position.
I really should go knock that out. Dang it.
Orders. I'll look. Enemy spotted.
Let's take them out. Dang it. I know I just
Ready.
set up and everything. Well, let's
Yes,
go.
sir.
Awaiting orders.
Be right there.
Oh, dang it.
Ready. Assuming position. I'm all ears. Yes.
No, fall back. Get the heck back here.
If you say so. I'm here.
Crap, I'm in a bad spot.
I'll keep my head down.
Move it. You guys get there. Where's my rifleman?
I'm here.
Because he's coming up.
Taking cover.
Get there.
Orders?
Get here.
Ready.
Dude.
Finding cover.
Yeah, right there. Okay. You two
Your
get
orders?
turned around.
Say the word. Finding cover.
Oh, he's there. Okay.
Assuming
Yeah,
position.
stay put.
Yes. Finding
Move it.
cover.
Move it, move it, move it. Crap. Great. So I see them, they move up.
Listening. Ready.
Checking position.
They're patrolling. Alright, everybody else is set up. To receive them.
Yes. Understood.
You guys, come on.
Orders.
You.
Checking position.
Say the word. Finding cover.
Yes? If you say so.
Alright, good.
Ready. Finding cover.
Let's go.
I'm waiting. Changing
We're
location.
back here.
Yes. Something to hide behind. Yes?
Dom, what's your range? You're out of range, okay.
No, I don't think so. I'm here. Moving. Yes, sir.
I want to get around. Get clear shot across here on.
On the move.
We're going to alert. So we go moving across.
Understood.
Do it. They did not alert.
Your orders?
Now we kill them.
I have him marked. Ready. He's in my sights.
Listening, sir. No hiding from me,
Ready,
lad.
sir.
All right, come on.
I have him marked. I don't see any more of them.
Listening!
Okay.
Listening. Yes,
Get
sir.
the handgun ammo.
Yes, sir.
Fuel.
As you wish.
Get the grenade.
Yes.
I'll see to it.
Claw.
Your orders?
Dom.
Understood.
We get machine gun ammo.
Yes.
I'll
Yes,
move
sir.
up.
Orders? Finding
Move it.
cover.
I'm all ears.
All right, let's get them back.
Something to hide behind.
Yes? I can handle that. Yes, sir! Taking cover.
So for whatever reason, I can't actually bash, and I have to use ammo.
Taking aim!
Pistol ammo's the cheapest.
Assuming position. Finding cover.
1,
Listening.
2, 3, 4.
Taking cover.
There we go. Now,
What is it?
where are they?
Checking position.
Sir. I'll look. Enemy.
There they come.
Enemy spotted.
Lots of specialized troops.
Ready. I'll keep my head down. Yes.
Your orders, sir. Finding cover.
Ready,
All right,
sir.
let's move up.
A better option.
Yes.
Over there.
Listening, sir.
That's all good.
Ready.
Joseph,
If you say
move
so.
up.
Say the word. Taking cover.
C. Who's in range for what?
Yes.
He's got the worst rifle. He can't hit shit.
I would if I could, sir.
Can't hit shit.
Certainly not.
Dom?
No.
You can't hide from me. Orders, sir.
No hiding, mate.
Ready as I'll ever be. No hiding from me, lad.
Awaiting orders. I have him marked.
Yes.
Orders?
Yes!
Both of you, move it out.
If you say so.
Move, move, move.
Your orders?
Orders?
Fall back.
Listening!
I have him marked.
Looks like we're clear. Yes!
Everybody
Yes, sir.
out.
I'm ready.
Doc. All right. Let's move it.
Your orders.
Move it.
Ready. Listening.
Hello.
Taking cover. I'm here. I'm listening. Take cover. Ready. What is it?
For them.
Taking cover.
Yes. Ditch
Moving.
clock, silence. Move it out.
Assuming position. Ready. Let's see what's there.
Found a key.
Right you are, sir.
Go unlock that.
Ready.
You.
Checking position. Enemy.
Got 4 guys down there.
I'm here. I'm listening. I'll keep my head down. I'll keep my head down.
Let's go. All right.
Assuming position.
Сюда! Эй! Стой!
Yes!
Oh, crap.
You can't hide from me.
Awaiting orders. I have him marked. Yes. He's in my sights.
Yes? He's in my sights.
Looks like we're clear.
Dang it. Dom took another hit.
Ready.
Dom,
Finding
fall
cover.
back here.
Orders?
Come over here with Dom.
Say the word. I'll see to it.
Listening.
Get out of her way.
Finding cover.
Yes? I can do that.
Your orders? Yes, sir. I'll take a look. Moving. Righto.
There we go.
Taking cover.
I'm waiting. Okay,
Load up.
I'm going.
Load up.
Say the word. You'll live.
Hatch Dom up, please. There he goes.
Yes? I'll see to it.
Oh, I don't need a full 3 in there. Good. Alright.
Your orders.
Let's get moving up.
Finding cover.
Orders?
Alright. One sec, gang. Gonna stop and restart recording. Better for my editing system. Alright. Just keep going.
Yes. Assuming position.
Orders? Assuming position. I'm listening. I'll keep my head down.
Yes.
Alright. What do we
I'll
got?
look. Enemy.
Got 2 there.
Sir. Checking position. Vehicle spotted. Yes.
Move up. Want better eyes on.
Orders?
Yes.
Checking position.
So looks just to be them.
Sir. I'll look. Right you are. Checking position.
Yeah, I'm just...
Consider it
I'm
done.
double checking junk.
I'll look.
They could come in on them from over here.
Yes. Checking position. Enemy.
You got a machine gun back here. I can eliminate them. Take the machine gun.
Sir.
Less
I'll
than
look.
his range. I send my snipers around. They can come around. Hit it from that side.
Ready, sir? Yes, sir.
Get in the car. I want both machine guns ready.
Orders? Moving.
I'm all ears.
Snipers, move it out.
Something to hide behind.
We're going to do a potential 2 stage.
I'm going. Checking position.
Yeah, I'm not seeing anybody else over there. Dead man. Corpse can be
Consider it done.
searched.
Checking position. Enemy. Yes.
All right.
I'll look. Vehicle spotted.
Keep eyes on them.
Listening.
You guys, let's go.
Assuming position.
Ready. Assuming position.
All right. They're ready to roll in if and when. I'm tempted to drop an artillery shell on this.
Sir? Understood.
Because of Dom's leg injury, he's moving at the same pace.
On my way.
He's still a little bit faster.
Taking cover.
All right.
Finding cover. Yes, sir.
Come on. Nice and quiet. Into the brush.
Enemy spotted!
Everybody's concealed. So out of sight, we move up it here. Just ever so gently up in here.
Moving.
Your orders, sir, as you wish.
Я проверю.
Enemy spotted.
Crap.
Yes?
You two.
On my way.
Get up there.
I'm waiting.
Здесь никого.
Okay, go catch up to your buddies.
Orders? Mm-hmm. Yes.
Temptation throw artillery shell right there. Screw it.
Listening.
Takes them out.
You can't hide from me.
Yes. No hiding, mate.
I'm all ears. He's in my sights.
Yes? I'll see to it. Moving.
Никого нет.
Okay, I'm going.
Worth it.
Orders, sir. What is it?
You three. Go
Understood.
take the hill.
Orders? Right you are.
Understood.
I mean, I've got
Ready.
artillery. Let's use it.
I'm going.
Orders? I'll see to it. Yes?
Enemy spotted.
Ready.
Assuming position. Yes? Mm-hmm.
Okay, move.
Consider it done.
Okay. You guys
I'm all ears.
start moving up.
Finding cover.
I'm ready. Understood.
Enemy spotted.
Assuming position.
You know what? I'm not seeing a bell or anything like that. Bell's over there.
Enemy spotted.
Okay, there's more of them.
What is it? Right you are.
Say the word. I'll see to it. Yes, sir. Taking aim.
Fire's interesting.
Understood.
All right.
I'm all ears. Enemy spotted.
All right.
Enemy spotted.
They're coming down.
What is it?
Enemy spotted.
Ready.
They're just staying out of machine gun range. I want all of them get out of sight. They'll move up, hit them.
Yes? I'll keep my head
Dom
down.
moves there.
Yes.
Everybody else,
Taking position.
move up to here. Pop those guys.
We are here. Now let's establish a solid position while we search for any sawmill workers that might still be alive.
I have him marked.
Ready as I'll ever be. No hiding from me, lad.
Sir? No hiding, mate.
Listening. I have him marked.
Sound the alarm! Sound the alarm!
Fire!
Damn it! Get ready to fight.
Ready.
Crap. Move it up.
Finding cover. Orders, sir. Taking cover.
Where's she at?
Orders?
Get up here. Go. Actually, you
Sir?
go there.
I'm ready. Taking cover. I'm ready.
Everybody.
I'm waiting. You live.
Damn, I'm gonna burn some medkits on this one.
Yes?
Ready. Understood. Yes.
I'm waiting. Yes, sir.
Not breathing.
What is it?
Just in case.
Right you are.
Get another flanking unit coming around.
Orders. Moving.
Come on.
Yes. On.
Alright, then come on back.
Assuming
Join the
position.
others. Those two patrol groups will be coming back soon enough. Actually,
What is it? Taking cover. Ready. Finding cover.
Enemy spotted!
Sound the alarm! Sound the alarm!
Damn it! Get ready to fight.
You can't hide from
tell me if you
me.
could be so
Yes.
kind.
He's in my sights.
I'm all ears.
Orders?
Go.
Enemy!
Yes. Attacking! I think that was the last of them. Okay, I'm going.
Orders, sir.
Move it up.
Enemy spotted.
Ready. Taking
Move it up.
cover.
Area clear. I can't see any more of them.
Yes?
Bail on it. Bail on it. Get up here.
Taking cover. Yes. Ready. I'll
Take that
see
thing
to it.
down.
Enemy spotted.
Yes?
I can't see any
Right
more
you
of
are.
them.
Let's see
Go,
what's
go,
in
go.
it. Consider it done. Understood. I'll take what I can find. If you say so. Assuming position. Let's see what's in it.
Yes?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Sir? Orders? Yes.
Move it up.
I can handle that. Dead. Ready.
I'm here.
Dang it.
Yes? Listening.
Come on.
Assuming position.
Yes?
Orders? Assuming
I'm
position.
hitting both buttons trying to make this work. Where'd my grenadier go?
Mm-hmm. Yes. Ready. Finding cover. Orders. Let's see what's in it.
Okay, I'm going.
Sweeping forward.
Understood.
Ready. Taking cover.
I'm ready.
Come join the snipers.
Mm-hmm. Consider it done. Ready. Moving. Not breathing. Understood. I can handle that.
Yes?
All of them. They're all dead. One of the bodies was clutching a key. We should look around and see what it unlocks.
I'll see to it. Moving.
Yes? Understood.
Get over here.
Mm-hmm. Consider it done.
Come on.
Let's see what's in it. Yes. I'm going.
Wait, I've got a thing.
On my
Over
way.
there.
Yes? Finding cover.
Move it on back.
I'm waiting.
Orders? Assuming position. What is it? Taking cover. Ready.
All right.
Checking position.
Got a body over there. Right, so if I tried to go this way, I wouldn't have been able to.
Ready, sir. Reconnoitering.
I've had to go around the other way. The bridge is blocked. It's a lake. I thought it was a dark spot looking at the mini-map. Uncleared.
What is it?
All right, let's go.
Moving. Yes. Well, well, well. What do we have here? Yes?
All right, we're done. Let's get out.
I'm ready. Not possible. Definitely not. I'm waiting.
Yes? Yes?
Let's go, everybody out.
As you wish. What is it?
Yes? Orders?
I'm not seeing
Yes, sir.
anything else lit up.
I'll see to it.
Let's go. All right, let's see how this mission wraps up. He made level 4, very nice. There we go. Ooh, how much is needed? Yeah, good to go. Promoted, leveled up, promoted, good stuff. Ugh. Underlocking key. But I don't know what's in it. It didn't say. Okay. Alright, I spent 102 rifle, got 140. Spent 31 pistol, got 51. Good cloth, fuel, food be better, money, and 50 metal. Got 2 grenades, spent 1. Used 2 medkits, got 1, and I used a mine. But I should be able to make more mines now. Discouraged by their tragically late arrival at the sawmill, your soldiers are slowly returning to the train. They may have diminished the Reds' presence, but the sight of the carnage has minimized any sense of reward. Out of nowhere, a slender civilian catches up with them, hands over a note addressed to you and a pouch of considerable weight. As suddenly as he appeared, he disappears. The note reads, I apologize for the secrecy. I lied. It wasn't a matter of national importance. It was a matter of the heart. There was little hope for your success, but I had to take any chance I could. Nevertheless, This will indeed influence those in power. I'll be sure to put in a good word for you. The signature reveals the identity of the mysterious stranger. Blah, blah, blah. Agent Collins. The pouch that came with the note is full of coins. Oh, 8,000. Well now. Both groups should be heading back in. By doing that, let's see to our promotions and upgrades. Warrant officer. Leveled up. Nice. So let's see how available. I'm going to keep going as marksman, but you can do anything but cook. That's fine. Medic or doctor? What is that caring? Generally cares about others. Monarchist, well trained, increases reload time of weapon, strong appetite. Right, so the cook where he can contribute to his own thing. Not going to happen. If I go grenadier, you know what? I think I go grenadier so I can equip him visually as a scout with grenades. That could be really beneficial or really stupid. Alfred, Sergeant Major. Nice to see. He's doing good. Okay. What do we got? Engineering needs 1 in intelligence. That lets him help out with almost anything around the train. Vladimir, level up as scout, and so did Jaro. Good stuff. All right, let's get everybody on, and we'll get moving. Actually, that'll make about an hour. That's a good bit, good length. For now, though. Let's pause it. And I need to get troops on the med car. Bloody heck. I thought I had more injured than that. I could have sworn I had a lot more injured than that. Dom's chewed up. John's chewed up. Mags, Vlad. No, that's it? That's weird. So be it. All right. Let's get everybody off that team. Shall leave Alfred. Everybody else can stand down off the primary team. Work on other things. Okay, they're going to be going out. Good. Nope, nope. I needed Alfred. Dang it. I need burglar. I was sitting as a rifleman. Just up the level. Actually, I should drop bed that I can send him as. Does Bedrick have anything else? Yeah. He can go as a machine gunner. Now I'll just have to make sure to swap them out to their main roles when I send out the primary squad again. Alright, gang. Thanks for joining me. We don't need to burn the heavy coal. Let's roll up. We'll get up to about here. And then launch. Team over there. And a muscle team over there. Looks good. And I'm rolling all the way up there for my next known thing. Oops. I lost my train. Where am I? There we are. So, leave me any thoughts, comments, observations, suggestions down below. Tag that like or the dislike. Subscribe if you haven't already. Remember, more important than anything, though, there is someone or something important to you that matters in your life. And whether you choose to get up and out face-to-face with other people, or stick behind the relative safety of your keyboard, or just pick up the phone. Call an old friend or family member. I know you're thinking about them. It's your concern. However you choose to do it, get involved, make a difference. More important than anything, take care, stay safe. I am the Articulate Grunt. Hope to catch you next time, but for now, I'm out from here. Bye.